Sometime what happens that are not sure about input, how input will come, because you get an input from many upstream processes. Different upstream processes may have a different inputs. So some can say that I'm going to send you a name in a customer full name, but some will say that I will send a name into customer and customer name. But you want to pick up both. You want to look for a full name also, you want to look for a customer name also. In that case, you can use a pipe character. Pipe is a OR in Java. So here under a customer, look for name full name or look for customer name. Whatever you find, pick up that value and put it into customer dot name. So simple.